Time and time again, we've been told to ditch single-use plastic bags and use cotton ones instead. But what if I told you that you've been lied to? We've all heard the same statistic. By 2050, there will be more plastic than fish. So what's the issue with replacing plastic bags with cotton ones? In this video, we'll unpack this environmental dilemma, explain why tote bags are a disaster, and offer sustainable alternatives for a greener future. Tote bags are seen as sustainable because they pollute the environment less than plastic bags. And this is true. Whilst tote bags take under 4 months to decompose, plastic bags take more than 400 years. As explained in my plastic pollution video, the breakdown of plastics, such as single-use plastic bags, has disastrous consequences for ecosystems around the world. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags for food, suffocating to death. Penguins get entangled in plastic fishing nets, dying from starvation. Seagulls ingest plastic, perishing as a result. Humans aren't immune to plastic either, and we ingest around 70,000 microplastics each year from the food we eat. And that's why we're supposed to use tote bags, to reduce the amount of plastic going into our oceans. But there's more to the story. However, we can't just base a product's ecological impact solely on what happens when it's thrown away. We have to look at how it's made. Single-use plastic bags are made from HDPE, which is derived from crude oil. But manufacturing and transporting one plastic bag produces only 1.6 kilograms of carbon dioxide, whilst the carbon footprint of a cotton bag is 170 times greater, at around 272 kilograms. Why is this? Producing a singular cotton bag is an intensive process. It requires lots of water, lots of chemicals, and lots of land, all of which contribute greatly to climate change. Now I know what you're thinking. Surely if I reuse my tote bag as much as possible, I can bring down its relative carbon footprint. After all, a flimsy plastic bag can only be used once. Let's dive into the statistics. A tote bag has to be used over 170 times for it to contribute less to climate change than plastic bags. Yet most of the time, this isn't possible. So cotton bags do generally have a higher carbon footprint than their plastic equivalents. Plastic bags aren't great for the environment, but cotton bags clearly aren't much better. So what are the alternatives? These bags are made from tough plastic, such as polyester and vinyl, and can be reused many times without the risk of tearing. In fact, polyester bags become more sustainable than single-use bags after being reused only 14 times. But the best bag to use is the one you already have. After all, there's no point buying a polyester bag if you already have a cotton one at home. If you find you have no more shopping bags, however, then a polyester bag is the bag for you. Since you've watched to the end of the video, you clearly care deeply about sustainability. So to find more about how we can conserve the environment, check out these videos appearing on your screen now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.